VPP MLA from North Shillong Adelbert Nongrum during the question hour raised the issue about the growing number of sex trafficking taking place at the heart of Shillong at Kindailat, which happens to fall under his constituency. Urban Affairs Minister Sngya Bhalangthar replied that the issue will be examined. Nongrum also questioned the government if the purpose of the railing installed at Kindailat was to dry clothes. The Har in his reply assured the legislator that the concern is important and he has taken note that he will send officers tomorrow itself to not allow anyone to dry clothes on the railing.
2024, that was recent months, 3 months back. All the stretch in between Hotel 5-star and the assembly, they were putting, the clothes has been dry all along the stretch. Then the second, the incident, it was happening on the 16th October 2019. They're exactly in the circle of the Kindailat, which connected with a long high mast. This thing happened, it was an ISO.
Mr. Speaker, sir, why the reply is no? Because till today, there is no official complaint has been received by the department. That is the reason why I reply no. Anyway, I know the concern is important. I would like to assure the member from tomorrow, I will instruct my officer, I won't allow anybody to hang clothes on the train.
No.